Hi everyone, my name is Lindy Wemtembu. Today we are going to talk about how to make and use posters in a classroom. Maybe someone is asking, but Lindy, why must we use posters? Let me tell you, we use posters to display information all on one page. So you don't have bits and pieces of information, but all on one page. So your learners can have access to that information. Don't be shy. Don't hide your poster under the table. Put it on the wall so that your learners from time to time can freely access the information. Now, an important thing that I must remind you of is that each and every poster must have a theme. For our children, it could be a theme about days of the week, a theme about the seasons of the year, it could be a theme about animals, whether domestic animals or wild animals. But the theme is very important. And that also will guide you when you collect the information for the poster. Now, simplicity. Your poster must be simple, but also colorful and interesting, so that your children keep on looking at it, keep on getting information from your poster. Right. I think now we need to talk about planning. How do I go about planning or designing my poster? I'm going to take you through the stages of planning your poster. First of all, when you plan, remember to collect pictures, remember to collect text that is relevant to the theme. For this presentation, our theme is clothes. So whatever I'm going to collect is going to speak to my theme. Now, where am I going to put all the text and the pictures? I'm going to use a plain whiteboard. This is an A3 whiteboard. Why white? So many colors. White I prefer because when you put pictures, they'll be visible enough. Whereas a colored poster, sometimes when you put a colored picture on a colored poster, it's difficult to see. So rather let's use a plain whiteboard. This one I like. Now, once you have your whiteboard, what next? Think about the layout. How am I going to put my pictures? Are they going to look straight or I'm going to put them in a circle? Let's look at our own layout that we have prepared. This layout, as you can see, I have space right at the top where I'm going to write the theme, and my theme is clothes. Then I have 6 blocks where I'm going to paste my pictures. Right. So you can be creative and use whatever layout as long as it is neat and simple. That is my layout for our presentation. Now, when I'm done with the layout, what next? Remember we said you were collecting pictures, so you have a variety of illustrations at your disposal. Look around. Say, okay, what can I put? All right, before my pictures, let me start with the labels. When you label your poster, the font, guys, the font must be visible, must be big enough, must be bold, so that learners who are sitting right at the back can see what is written on your poster. So my font here is visible, it's bold, it's black, and learners won't have a problem. But then try, if you can, when you do your labels, to use other languages as well, so that your learners can increase their vocabulary in more than one language, right? So try, but it's not a must, but it just increases your learners' vocabulary. That's how I would paste my text. And my text still speaks to my theme, and my theme is about clothes. Right? Pictures. Here we go. I've got pictures, text. I can cut the scarf. I can cut out socks. I can cut out shoes. It depends, what I want to put on my poster. which is about clothes. So these have already been cut out and pasted on my poster. Look how wonderful this poster is. I think it is the most beautiful poster in the whole world. Don't you think so? I know you agree. Right. Before we conclude, maybe we should just look at the difference between a not so good poster and a good poster. Let's start with the not so good poster. Oh, look at this poster. ECD practitioners, are you gonna do this poster? No ways. It's a bit busy. Can you see? It's just busy. Too many pictures in one poster. It's messy as well. The way they've cut out their pictures, it doesn't make sense to me. And worst of all, there's also wrong spelling here. That is a no, right? So we are not gonna do that, but we are going to strive to do a good poster like this one. This poster I like. It is colorful, it is simple, the labels are visible, so you don't need to worry or see, but I can't see, what does it mean? What's there? There you are. I like this poster, guys. Let's try to do this. Okay. Homework is not done, but I'm going to give you homework for this one. When you design a poster, remember the theme. I'm challenging you guys. Have a theme in mind. Think about the layout. Have your pictures, have your text, and then be creative, Have fun. Enjoy what you're doing. Yes, I know you can do it. For now, guys, it's time for me to go. Goodbye.